Well, I just arrived here at the Tysons Corner Metro Station, and guess what's going on? You heard me correctly, fire alarms are going off here. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what the hell's going on.
There has been an emergency reported in the building. Leave the building immediately using marked stairways and exits. Do not use elevators.
Come on, focus, you. This is the Tysons Corner Metro Station, and the fire alarms are going off here. I don't know what the hell's going on.
There has been an emergency reported in the building. Leave the building immediately using marked stairways and exits. Do not use elevators.
Well, I'm getting off right here anyway. Is this false?
Huh?
False or a test?
Real, go, brother.
Oh, hoping everything's okay here. Yep, you heard him, folks. The strobes are synced, too. The strobes are synced. As you can see, it's all spectacular advances here. My Nokia Lumia 635's camera is not picking up the strobes very well. They're saying it's real, man.
Pardon?
They're saying the alarm's real, man.
The alarm's real?
Yep, that's what they're saying. That's what they told me, man. Alright, stay safe. Speakers are not that loud here. Some of them anyway are not that loud at all. strobes are set to 15 candela, and it's not that bright in person at all. It's not that bright at all.
There has been an emergency reported in the building. Leave the building immediately using marked stairways and exits. There has been an emergency reported in the building. Leave the building immediately using marked stairways and exits. Do not use elevators. There has been an emergency reported in the building. Leave the building immediately using marked stairways and exits. Do not use elevators.
Alrighty guys, just got off work just a couple minutes ago. I'm just arriving here at the Tysons Corner metro station. Earlier today, as you saw, fire alarms were going off here, so we're gonna go find out what led to the fire alarms being set off earlier. So let's head on over there right now. As you can see, we got a huge thing of snow here. So yep, as you can hear, the Spectral Alert Advanced speakers are back to providing Metro Rail info instead of telling us there is an emergency here in this building. Very cool. And as I mentioned earlier, the strobes are they got all the strobes in sync, flashing at the same time. So, and the phone just could not pick up those flashing strobes very well. Yeah, the 15 candela didn't look that bright at all, really. But hey, it's daytime, so who knows? Who knows how bright it was, you know? At least in Ben, as I told you guys on Facebook, we got this covered section here. It's all ceiling mount through here as far as Spectral Alert Advances is concerned. One thing I find weird is they're using red remote strobes and the white speakers. It's one of the things I find a little weird. And if we go down to the uncovered area, it's all wall mount stuff, Spectral Alert Advance red wall mounts on the poles. And there are loudspeakers up above. So okay.
What is the problem, sir?
How's it going?
What is the problem?
The fire alarms were going off here earlier. Do you know what caused it?
Say what?
Fire alarms were going off here earlier today. Do you know what the cause is?
Who are you?
Fire alarms were going off here earlier today.
I understand that, but who are you, sir?
Yeah, I'm a little curious here as to what caused it. You don't know? Oh, I'm curious as to what caused the fire alarms to go off here earlier.
Sir, we don't give out information to just people like that. I mean, I'm asking you, who are you?
Alright. I'm just a normal rider, fire alarm enthusiast.
Okay, but we don't give out information like that, sir. It was a false alarm.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Somebody
But
said it
what
was a real
what
thing,
are
though.
you doing?
I'm about to go catch my train, so.
Okay.
Okay, take care now. Okay, bye-bye. Well, what do you know, folks?
Please move as far away from the doors as you can, so others can get on as quickly and as safely as possible. Also, please be mindful of priority seating reserved for senior citizens and persons with disabilities. Thank you for riding Metro Rail, and enjoy your trip.